Hello friends, today we are going to assemble the new compost bin that we got from Amazon. Let's see how easy it is to assemble it. This has two side panels, one back panel, one front panel with a door at the bottom and a lid on top. We can connect the front with the side panels. We can connect the back panel. We can connect the back panel to the sides. We can attach the front door now. The last piece to attach is the lid. We are all done with the assembling our new compost bin. It was very easy to assemble this. The two side panels, the front panel, the lid and a front door where you can collect the compost when it is already formed.